What's up guys, it is called Spring Repair. Now today I'm gonna talk about why I haven't used this channel a lot, well at all, and my plans for the channels, upcoming content, and why there will still be a slight delay before I could make this content. First of all, why didn't I upload any content in this year? Well, I just didn't really want to. After all, this is just a regular YouTube channel. I'm not making any money off of this, and just didn't want to. I had like three videos that I wanted to upload and were already filmed, but the problem was, for some reason and another, for all of these ones I couldn't upload them. For example, in the last Minecraft video, I showed you guys, I told you guys that there's a package that I'm waiting for to do unboxing. Well, that was a 3DS that I bought off Japan, and although it was fun, it was very fun, I modded it and I played it. I accidentally forgot to mark on a Sharpie my house address, and I didn't want that stuff to be public, so obviously I didn't upload the video. And I also made other videos, but maybe my voice didn't sound good, or just I just didn't upload them. So those are the reasons. Yeah, but now that it's summer vacation, I want to upload more videos. It's starting to interest me again. Plus, I have a lot more projects that I can show you guys that you can build at your home or just watch. So, what's coming for the channel? You should expect a lot of how-to builds, reviews, commentary, and yeah, maybe I will do some math help, explain some concepts about math and stuff like that, but that isn't very likely because I don't really like math myself. Although I do like math, the drug, yeah, I use it every single day. But yeah, for example, there is a video that I'm planning to do, that I'm gonna take a few lighters from cheapest to most expensive. The cheapest will be 1 shekel, which is I think 25 cents, and the most expensive will be 25 shekels, which is I don't know how many dollars. I don't remember. You can calculate it. And also a Ronson standard lighter that I want to buy from the market, but I think someone bought it. But if someone bought it, I will just buy another lighter. They have a few cool lighters from the 40s, 50s, and 70s. But yeah, so that's a video that I'm planning, that expect to come out. How to make a corn cob pipe, like how they make them back in the 40s. Yeah, so you expect to see how to build one of those, and all sorts of stuff outdoors also. I'm gonna go out to fields next to my house. There are a few fields next to my house, fields, deserts, that I can go there and show you how to build stuff. Maybe the river, although the river, sadly, it once bigger, but now it's just like a stream, not that big, because it's not really raining here anymore. But yeah, expect to see some of those stuff. And number 3, why you need to wait a little longer, to watch all of those stuff. If you know, if I made this video a few days ago, this section wouldn't exist. But as you know, Israel attacked Iran, and I live in Israel. And something that happens is, there are rockets and stuff, but it's kind of like Corona, COVID-19. You It's not really recommended to go outside. Plus, you have no real reason to, because all the stores are closed. So all the stores are closed, and that's a bummer, first of all. And also, all the stores are closed except for grocery stores, like the ones that sell bread, milk, stuff like that. Yeah, so can take some time longer for you to get all of those videos, but don't expect it to be too long. So don't expect it to be too long, but don't expect it to be right away, you know what I mean. It's gonna come, those videos are definitely gonna come, but not in the next week, I think. But I don't think this attack will be long. I think they will surrender very, very soon. Because what we are doing there, they will surrender soon. But yeah, they will surrender, and then hopefully the stores will open back up, and I can buy those lighters, and I can show you, and I can do the content that I want, But yeah, those are the futures of the channel. Maybe I will do gameplay, like for example this Minecraft world I didn't invest a ton of time in, so maybe I will do like Look the Notable, 100 days challenge and stuff like that. But we'll see, you can never know what you will want in the future. But yeah, basically that's it. On another thing, if you guys can please comment, like, and subscribe. You have no idea how much this can help me. I had a previous channel once, it was FNAF underscore 234, and it got deleted. I had like 200 subscribers there. It was so fun, and bam. But yeah, guys, please, you have no idea how much this can help me, how much truly it can help me. I'm a small creator, and this will truly help, like boost me on the algorithm. After all, I'm just starting out. Starting out could be a stretch. Point is, I had like 11 views max and like 1,000 views on YouTube Shorts that I basically stole, like green screened it. But yeah, if you guys can do that, don't even ring the bell. You don't have to if you don't really like it. If you just come across this video and all this stuff doesn't seem interesting to you, don't have to. You really don't. Just please subscribe, without the bells you won't even get the notification if it's not interesting. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.